wonderful Monday. Wow, I haven't been on in a week, I think. Yeah, busy. So you guys know how that is. So with that being said, I wanted to come on today and share something that I've been doing to help with my eyebrows to grow in, okay? Some of you ladies and gentlemen out there are lucky to have your entire eyebrows. You don't have the issues of it growing halfway. My eyebrow has a tendency of growing from here to here and nothing towards the end, and it's frustrating. I did make a video about 2-3 years ago, and basically I was showing what it is that I was trying to do to help to grow my eyebrows back, and that was using castor oil. So what I'm going to do is attach that video on the link below, and you can check it out for yourself. Now, I am not wearing I'm not manipulating my eyebrows, put it this way. Normally I manipulate my eyebrows so it could pop out more, but right now I have nothing on, and I'm going to share a quick close-up of that really quick. Check it out. Hey everybody, so today I wanted to show you guys my eyebrows and show you guys how much my eyebrow has grown. Now I do have a video, it's on the link below, check it out, and you will clearly see that I was trying to grow my eyebrow out. So right now what we're looking at is my eyebrows, duh, obviously, right? So normally when I try to grow up my eyebrows, it grows from here to here. It stops right here in the middle. Then towards the end there's no hair, and this goes with both eyebrows. But since I've been using this brush and adding the oils every single night, I've been noticing a big difference in my eyebrows. Right now I have not manipulated my eyebrows at all when it comes to, using an eyebrow pencil, because that's what I normally use to, make it more, to give it more of a shape, and also to fill it in, and because normally I have to fill it in from here to here because it's missing. But as you can see, it's no longer doing that anymore because of the fact that there's 3 different oils that I've been using that's been really helping to grow my eyebrows. And having this right here, this is also amazing, an eyebrow brush and comb. You basically do this. This is what I do every night, every day. I brush it specifically at night because, I'm going to prove to you guys that I am not wearing anything. There's nothing in my eyebrow. This is my eyebrow, and it's still pretty thin over here, but you can see that it's clearly starting to grow. I hope you guys could see that. Same with this one right here, this eyebrow, same situation. Okay? Same thing. So it's clearly working, and just wanted to share that with you all. Okay, so you can see that it's been, I don't have anything, no eyebrow pencil, no manipulation whatsoever. And what I basically wanted to just share with you guys is there's 3 different oils that I use and this brush. The first tip is to get you an eyebrow brush. This is really good. Comb brush, this is good. I like to use the brush part, and I like to just kind of like brush it like this. It's like massaging it in a way, and then you add the oil as well, and you use the oils at night, and it penetrates while you're sleeping, and it helps with growing out your eyebrows. Okay, and also take vitamins and drink plenty of water along with that. So the first oil that I want to share with you guys that I use is this right here, which is the Haitian black castor oil. This oil, I use it every night. Well, I use it every couple of nights because I use different oils on my eyebrows, but this is one of the oils that I use to help to grow my eyebrows back. The Haitian black castor oil, okay? The next oil, my avocado and carrot oil that I made a video recently showing you guys how I make it. It's on I'm going to put it on the description. This oil is amazing. I just refilled the applicator bottle because I have it in a separate bottle, so every time it gets empty I refill it, and that's what I did. So I refill this. I use this on my eyebrows at night as well, along, I mix it with the black castor oil and with this oil. And the last oil that I use is vitamin E oil. This is also amazing. Okay, and it's also good to use on the skin as well. So those are the 3 oils that I've been going back and forth and using it. Like on a Monday I would use the castor oil, and on Wednesday I would use the avocado and carrot oil. Then I would use the vitamin E oil on a Friday, or you know, I just mix it around. It's just me. I just don't stick to one thing. These steps should help to grow the eyebrow, like I mentioned. But if you do have issues going on, you may not get the results. So try that, and you could try. You don't have to try these specific oils. You don't have to try these oils. You could try any oil, but make sure you have your little handy eyebrow brush. Brush it constantly or comb it, whatever it is, and then, you know, it's kind of like massaging it, and then again by adding the oil, it penetrates. Especially if you use it at night, it penetrates right in, and it will help with growing it back in, you know. So that's what I did, and I'm happy to see that it's starting to grow back in, because it wasn't growing at all. So with that being said, just wanted to share that with you guys really quickly. And that's basically it, guys. Have a fabulous week. God bless you all, and I will be back with another